Introduce highlight features or overview summary for 1000 watts electric mini fireplace heater, freestanding fireplace stove with adjustable 3D flame effect. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: realistic 3D flame effect. The mini electric fireplace employs simulated coal fire technology, complemented by comfortable warm air diffusion, delivering the same cozy feel as a genuine fireplace while presenting lifelike, dancing flame visuals. Provides ambient lighting during heating to enhance interior decor ambience. High-efficiency ceramic heating. A 1000-watt ceramic heating element achieves rapid temperature rise with outstanding thermal conversion efficiency. The electric fireplace heater stove requires no lengthy preheating, swiftly warming spaces up to 108 square feet. Full function adjustable settings. The tabletop fireplace's 3-speed fan and temperature control, 59 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, cater to personal comfort preferences. An 1 to 8 hour timer enables automated operation for efficient energy management. Thoughtful design. The mini heater's overheat protection automatically cuts power. A cool touch ABS casing prevents burns, while reinforced vents guard against accidental finger contact. Lightweight and portable. The freestanding fireplace stove's lightweight design, 2.2 pounds, and compact dimensions, 8.8 x 4.9 x 5.7 inches, allow effortless placement on desks, coffee tables, or floors. A widened base ensures stability and prevents tipping during use. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.